Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Bhupendra Patel sworn in as Chief Minister of Gujarat for the second consecutive term. Prime Minister Modi and other leaders attend the ceremony. Trinamool Congress Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached Shillong for a two-day visit. TMC is coming with a specific kind of an outlay and plan that will benefit the people, says George P. Lingdor. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma releases the commemorative postal stamp dedicated to Patogan Sangma. In Gujarat, Bhupendra Patel has taken oath as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for the second consecutive term. Patel was administered oath as the 18th Chief Minister of the state by Governor Acharya Devrat. A grand swearing-in ceremony was held at helipad ground in Gandhinagar. Along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP National President JP Nadda, several central ministers including Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Mansukh Mandaviya and Chief Ministers of BJP-ruled states attended the oath-taking ceremony. Patel, who is elected from Ghatlodia constituency of Ahmedabad with a margin of more than 1,90,000 votes, is the second Chief Minister from this very constituency. Sounding the poll bugle for the February 2023 Assembly elections, Trinamool Congress Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached Shillong on Monday. This is her maiden visit to the state. During her two-day visit, Banerjee will discuss the election strategies and boost the morale of party workers here. During her two-day visit in Shillong, she will hold meetings with the party functionaries and other stakeholders. On Tuesday, there will be a meeting at Usosotham Auditorium and Windermere Resort. Banerjee will also attend a pre-Christmas celebration on Tuesday. It may be mentioned here that the TMC in November 2021 became the principal opposition party in the State Legislative Assembly. The leader of opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, while addressing the media during the visit of Mamata Banerjee on Monday, has said they are extremely enthusiastic to receive the chairperson of the TMC and look forward to addressing the executive workers of the party who come from every nook and corner of the state. While George P. Lingdor said that the people have had enough of the present government that keeps promising for the past 5 years. Therefore, the TMC is coming with a specific kind of an outlay, a plan and strategy that will be beneficial for the people, he added.
It will be beneficial for the people and it will be a promise that
addressing our executive, rather the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this and will be welcoming her.
some way of governance we have seen, encroaching borders, killing people, so we don't want that kind of a governance. Bengal has stood fast against the might of the BJP, and that is what we are here for, to stop the BJP from trampling upon the rights of the citizens, upon the minorities and upon the Christians. So therefore we're coming with a specific kind of an outlay, a plan and a strategy that will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that we as leaders and a party under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee will be unfolding tomorrow and telling the people of the state where we want to take them forward.
The death anniversary of Patogan Sangma, also known as Patogan Nengminja Sangma, of the Garo warriors who was ill-equipped and suffered huge losses but showed bravery, loyalty and unity for the tribe and for the country, is being observed every year on December 12th. The day commemorates the efforts of the Garo tribe and their leader during the British occupation in 1872. People who visit Chizo Bibra, East Garo Hills in Meghalaya, can witness a statue built in memory of the Garo leader. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today released the commemorative postal stamp dedicated to Patogan Sangma on his 150th death anniversary. In order to provide an opportunity to the players of various states and or northeast, especially from the armed forces, Assam Rifles has organized a Sentinels Football Cup under the umbrella of the Government of India's Khelo India and Fit India movement. The final match of the Sentinels Football Cup 2022 was held today at the football ground of Assam Rifles, Lightcore Shillong, between Assam Rifles Sentinels 11 and 164 Territorial Army and Headhunters from Nagaland. The chief guest on the occasion was Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandran Nair, and the guest of honor was Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh. The final match was almost one-sided as the Sentinel 11 have defeated 164 Territorial Army by 6-0 score. FIFA has initiated a disciplinary case against Argentina for its players' actions during a contentious World Cup quarter match against the Netherlands. The soccer governing body cited order and security at matches in its disciplinary code for charging the Argentina Soccer Federation. Lionel Messi was among the World Cup record of 17 players or coaching staff members who were shown yellow cards during or after the game. Argentina head coach Scaloni was shown a yellow card too. FIFA has, however, not given any timeline for verdicts, which have typically not been published before a team's next game at this World Cup. Argentina faces Croatia in the semi-finals on the 14th of December. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 17.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 77%, while it was 79% in the evening. The forecast says weather is most likely to remain dry. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Bhupendra Patel sworn in as Chief Minister of Gujarat for the second consecutive term. Prime Minister Modi and other leaders attend the ceremony. Trinamool Congress Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached Shillong for a two-day visit. TMC is coming with a specific kind of an outlay plan that will benefit the people, says George P. Lingdon. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma releases the commemorative postal stamp dedicated to Patogan Sangma. And with that, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.
You know it's only a drill.